So this is our production of the Little Mermaid Junior, and so it's a shortened version of the Broadway musical The Little Mermaid, and we chose the shorter version in order to be able to hold matinees for the local elementary schools.
I do the microphone, so they all have like a little microphone, and they have it right here, and like I'm in charge of like turning them on, muting them when they need to be on, changing the volume based on like how they're singing.
I am stage manager and assistant director. I've been stage manager for the past like 3 years.
We all kind of know a little bit about everything in the booth, how to use everything, but we all are like also like have a specific skill, and it's really fun to like explore with all of that.
So I just love that we're able to have this environment and a really great teacher in order to help us learn how to make art and be able to do art.